What's going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're in our facility here in Atlanta, Georgia. We're going to be doing a wheel and tire install on this Tesla Model S right here, but we want to introduce to you our Sportline Pro Series aluminum jacking pucks. We're going to be using this today to jack up the vehicle before we put the wheels and tires on. So I just wanted to go over some of the specs of this real quick, and then we'll show it in action. So our aluminum pad puck is made from a heat-treated aluminum alloy. It's gonna be super strong. It's made in the USA. It's gonna be 1.6 inches in height with a 3-inch diameter base. The pad pucks are gonna be available individually as well as in pairs of 2 or in a full set of 4 for those that are gonna be putting the car on a lift. So if you wanna check these out, you can do that at tsportline.com. But for now, let's go ahead and jump into the install.